A Midstate homeless shelter is picking up the pieces after it was vandalized over the weekend.
An arrest has been made, but a mess is left for workers and volunteers. Jeremiah Marshall joins us from our newsroom with more. Jeremiah.
Yeah, Alicia, Valerie, this was a shock to workers with Community Care's homeless shelter in Cumberland County. They've been helping people in need since 2004, and in that time, the team says they've never seen something like this happen.
It was a pretty messy sight when we showed up.
2 vehicles damaged, along with plants, broken tables, chairs, to shattered windows. Just some of the vandalism at the Community Care's homeless shelter.
I mean, clearly it could have been so much worse.
Executive Director Beth Kemp and her team are trying to save and upgrade everything they can with little manpower.
Any given day is very busy, and so any little hurdle to the day makes it really difficult for us to continue because, like a lot of nonprofits and a lot of people in the job market right now, we don't have enough staff to do what we do, so it's really taxing on everybody.
The vandalism happened late at night, but it was all caught on camera. Administrators say a man who used to live at the shelter was responsible, and he was arrested.
No matter what's happening, we want them to know that this is a safe place they can come to.
Kemp says the shelter is full, helping many get back on their feet.
They just couldn't believe that the place that they were staying, the only safe place they really have right now, that somebody would kind of rob them of that.
But the shelter will renovate and continue to carry out their mission.
You know, we also believe that, people are going through their tough time, but it does make it difficult, but we wouldn't quit doing what we're doing because of this. We would only gives us more resolve to keep moving forward and continue to help people get out of this tough situation and get the supports that they need.
And the shelter is facing more than $5,000 worth of damages. They say the biggest need is to help with their vehicles since 2 were vandalized. In the newsroom, Jeremiah Marshall, ABC 27 News.